Today, let's talk about a strange issue with the ERLS receiver. Even if you've correctly soldered the receiver and configured the correct port and protocol in the flag controller, when powering on the ERLS receiver, it still fails to connect to your radio transmitter. In other words, you simply can't bind or connect to it. But when you power the flag controller via USB on your computer, the receiver connects just fine. So why does this happen? This is because the ERLS receiver is designed with the default bootloader level mechanism. That is, when powering on, if the GPIO pin connected to the receiver is high or low, the receiver will prioritize entering firmware flashing mode, which is what we commonly call bootloader or DFU mode. But this high-low level doesn't follow any strict standard, nor is there a standard for compatibility. So, with certain flag controllers and certain GPIO pins, this incompatibility with the ERLS receiver can occur. If you're powering up using a battery, then the power on sequence goes like this. The flag controller powers on first, then it sets the GPIO pin high or low, and the receiver detects this signal, which causes it to automatically enter bootloader mode, and thus refuses to connect to the transmitter. So why doesn't this issue occur with USB power? Because with USB power, the 4.5 volts from USB powers up the receiver first, then the flag controller starts. This way, the receiver doesn't enter bootloader mode. In short, this is a hardware-level compatibility issue between the receiver and the flag controller. If you encounter this issue, just switch to another set of UART and RX ports. That's our analysis of this strange ERLS receiver issue.